Hi there, in this video you can see, look, we're going to mess around with the thumbnails. You can put them just at the beginning and end, smear them along the whole clip like I did. I'll show you how to turn these names on and off. Ooh, it's very exciting. Let's jump in. Alright, first things first, you need to have this track big enough to see a thumbnail. If it's too small, you're just not going to see it. Okay, and we're not going to drag this anymore because we are super advanced Premiere Pro users. Who remembers what the shortcut is to just make them all bigger, okay? You hold down Shift key on Mac or PC, does that plus, and they all get nice and big. Or I've got my shortcut, remember, Command 1, that's what I set mine to. Control 1 is a shortcut we set earlier in the course, okay? We predefined it ourselves. Anyway, I can see my thumbnail. Now, I've only got it at one end. What you can do is you can say, actually, you can go to this little burger menu. There are some weird places in Premiere Pro. Like in this burger menu, there's lots of useful stuff. Okay, and here you can say, actually, I want the video, the thumbnail to be at the head and tail. So I can kind of see both sides, especially when I'm kind of like along here. Okay, there you go. I can see the join. With it off, I can't see this one. And I have to kind of like, oh, what is this one? And kind of like scroll back. Okay, so I get it at the beginning and the end. There's another option in there. Okay, it's the same place. There's one called continuous, and it just kind of repeats the thumbnail over and over. I find this too hard. You might find this super useful if it's maybe you're dealing with a lot of images. I don't know. Just repeats it over and over. Know that you can do it. I'm going to turn mine back to video head and tails. The thing is with this as well, if you change any of these settings in this like little burger menu here, it will change for all projects. Okay, it's not like one of those project only settings. There you go. Oh, one thing I didn't say is you can actually turn it off. So thumbnails in here somewhere, you can say actually just turn thumbnails off. Can you see it? It's because it's not even in there, Dan. It's in here. Show thumbnails. You might, for some reason, just want them off. I'm not here to judge. You do what you want with your thumbnails. One thing that you might, I don't know, you might have seen it there. You can turn I'm going to turn my thumbnails back on because I do like them. I'm going to go to my wrench and go to show video names. Can you see that there? You might I don't like those names there. Let's just keep it nice and clean. Turn the thumbnails off, turn them on, names on and off, up to you. I'm going to turn mine back on just for this course, okay, because that will stay on permanently, remember. So let's turn on my video names, and that's it. That's all we need to know about thumbnails in the timeline in Premiere Pro.